Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So today I'm just coming to quickly share a little taster digital kit that I've got up on my Ko-fi site. The link for that is in the description box below. Please do make sure that you click follow on my Ko-fi site so that you see any other uploads and have a nosy around there while you're there. A lot of those are free. This one is also a freebie. You can leave a donation, so you can either download it for free, or if you feel you want to contribute, you can leave a donation, whatever you think that the digital kits are worth. There's quite a few on there, so go and have a look. Or what you can do is just download all the free ones and then maybe just leave a one-off donation. It's up to you how you do it, but I'm adding things on there and making sure that there are always some things for free so that everybody can have a go with digital creating and having a go at journal making. As long as you've got paper and a printer, you can have a go. So this one I'm calling Postage Elements, and it's 3 A4 sheets. Okay, of digitally altered images. So we've got postage stamps here. Now I've done them quite large so that you can cut them out and add them to snippets or add them to, you know, clusters or anything you're making really. If you're making little layouts on your pages or your tags or anything like that. I haven't got anything to hand to show you. If you want them smaller, all you do is right click the image in your file and go to print, and then a setting comes up where you can print out 2 to a page. So this would be printed out twice on one sheet, in essence making it smaller. I'm sure most of you know that. So yeah, so these are obviously all postage stamps. This one is some ephemera and some postcards, and this letter here is actually from my personal collection. Just what I had to do, most of my personal collection are British or English letters. Now you're not allowed to digitally download and share British stamps. So I carefully digitally removed it and replaced it with a stamp that's copyright free. So I'm getting quite good at this. So all of these, you know, I've done them in different colours, I've done them in different sizes, just playing and learning for now. And here's another, this is in my collection, and some more items. So that's there. There's quite a number of items there for you to play with and make some little projects with. I'm going to be, and I do say make sure you're following my Ko-fi site, because here I'll just show you a little glimpse. This is all of the genuine vintage ephemera that I have in my possession, that I have to work through. It's going to take me quite a while. I'm going to work through it, I'm going to scan a lot of it, digitalise it, and it's going to be going up as ephemera kits. And when that job's done, I will then be doing you know, traditional journaling kits, full kits. For now they're just ephemera ones, collections of things that you can use in your journals. So yeah, I hope that's going to be of use to you. So jump on over to my Ko-fi site and see what you can get. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.